What's up, seashells? It's Shelby, and today I am back with another wig video. So as you can see, we're going to be installing this wig that you're seeing right here. It is a kinky curly 13x4 transparent lace wig. It came with kinky edges, and let me tell you, that was a little bit scary, but thank you to Alipop Wigs for sending over this wig and sponsoring this video. Let's get on into it. So this is what the box looks like. Real cute. And it came with a pair of lashes and the wig. So this is what the wig looked like after I tried to bleach the knots but was unsuccessful. Those are the kinky edges I was telling you all about. Not gonna lie, they scared me. They scared me. I over bleached a little bit. I don't understand how, because the knots didn't bleach, but I just left it to God because I can't help it no more. The curls are really cute. I've never tried a kinky wig before, so I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can finesse this. So first things first, I was thinking of going with a no part style. So I'm just trying to hot comb. I'm trying to hot comb the top so it can be flat and I can just flip it in whatever direction I feel like wearing the hair. So I was trying to do it all back, use my little wax stick and make sure it's flat. This hair was super thick. Did I mention that it was 26 inches? Yeah, it was 26 inches. And I'm not gonna lie, there's a reason I'm cream my ear, because I cannot manage natural hair, and this kinky curly wig gave me a fight. I'm used to the straight hair and the body wave and all of that, and I don't know why I decided that I wanted to cut the lace off before I put it on my head, but yeah, I did that, and I decided to pluck it a little bit, nothing too crazy. And this is me trying to fit it on my head and see how it's looking, and I'm scared for my life, but we move. I think the ear tabs are the most annoying and the hardest thing about installing a wig. To me, I still can't get it right. I don't know, but we move. I'm just using my ebony spray once again, the usual, rubbing that in with my finger, kind of do it in sections so it doesn't get messy and go all over the place. Use my little fan. I don't know why I just don't use the blow dryer, but alas, here we are. Doing the same thing. I did 2 layers of this, I believe, because I knew I wasn't going to wear this wig for too long, and I'm just trying to put it down. And this is me fretting because I said no, I gonna do this, but we will do it, won't we? Yeah, so I'm just doing the same thing, and I decided to finally use the blow dryer because I think my fan died, so I just use it on cool. I do not use it on hot. Boy, I'm not like people. When I was scared, I made it scared too. I was real scared. This was a lot of edges, so I decided to just tighten them and think about it after the lace is melted. I will say that the lace wasn't really hard to melt. I don't think it was really hard. I used some of my foundation a shade darker than me. And guys, that is the key to letting your lace melt without having that white cast. I found it. I cracked the code. Don't use something as similar as your skin tone. Use something a shade darker or 2 shades darker. Yeah. So I'm just going in, wetting the hair because I didn't want it to be that big and puffy. I don't know why I was treating this like water wave. It is clearly not water wave. So I just went in with some water, a little bit of mousse, and some curling custard thingy from Mile Organics, whatever you want to call it. And as I said, I didn't want to do a part, so I was giving a Puerto Rican right here. Doing my little brushy brush, make sure it was laying down. Yeah, the plucking, I don't know. It ain't bad. It was alright. Take that band off and let's see if I can work with this. Yeah. Still scared. Still scared. Why? I don't know. I tried. I was like, please be for real. So I'm trying to see which direction I was going to put these edges. Boy, I don't know. So I tried to pluck them a little bit because they were just way too much for my liking. And I used this edge tamer because I was like, mousse, I don't think mousse gonna work with this. But actually the mousse wasn't bad, but this, I don't know. Maybe I should have used some Got2b glue for this because it kept flipping up. But it actually wasn't as hard to manage as I thought it would have been. But it did still add. It really was giving me a fight. And to me, those ones, when I was doing those ones, they didn't really look bad. I think it was the middle section that was kind of throwing me off. And I think the line of demarcation between the hairline and the edges, I think it was too wide. It came like that. I didn't pluck it out like that. It actually came like that. So I don't know. You're gonna have to do a lot of customizing. This is not beginner friendly. You gotta know what you're doing. And I do not know what I am doing. I'm trying to finesse it the best I can. And it didn't work. Child, it didn't work. It didn't work. I thought it would be cute. You see me and try pose to make it look cute. But just sheer embarrassed. The hair is so nice, but them edges, baby, they got to go. So I decided I'm cutting them off. I cut the edges off and I made a whole new hairline, and here we are. I decided to go with the OG side part because you know me, I love a side part. And enough, so I'm gonna try this edges thing what I say everybody do. But you know, taking a whole lot of edges out to do this side part, ain't no going back now because it's already cut. Yeah, I just put the mousse on, and I'm just doing my edges like I normally do. As I said, you see, the lace is really not that bad, and it melted in really nice. I could have put more glue. I could have put more glue because it was lifting a little, but we're gonna ignore that. And I'm sorry, I do not like putting concealer on my parts, but I should find a concealer that is not gonna give that white cast, because there's nothing I hate more than seeing that. But anyways, it was giving. And yeah, that's the end result. Thank you to Alipop Wigs for giving me this hair. And if you want to buy this hair, make sure you click the link in my description box below and use my code Shelby10 for some money off your order. Bye.